Number 3 is Dremel DigiLab 3D45-01 3D printer. You are calling all architects. Get ready to take your designs to the next level with the Dremel DigiLab 3D45-01 3D printer. This printer is the perfect tool for bringing your ideas to life. With its ability to handle advanced materials such as ECOABS, Nylon, PETG, and PLA filament, you can easily print almost any design. The all-metal 0.4mm nozzle heats up to a scorching 280 degrees Celsius, and the removable glass build plate heats up to 100 degrees Celsius, providing you with the flexibility you need to create a wide range of designs. It is one of the best 3D printers for professionals and small businesses and is also straightforward. The guided setup process will get you from unboxing to printing in just a few minutes, and the 4.5-inch full-color touchscreen with an intuitive interface makes it easy to navigate through different functions. Other top-rated features include an automated 9-point leveling sensor that detects any variation in the print bed, a built-in HD camera for remote print monitoring, and a complete 3D printer enclosure made of ultra-durable plastic with a 6.7 inches by 10 inches by 6 inches build volume. So if you want to purchase this 3D printer, check the link in the description box below.